Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add quick action bar in Wix layout in mobile. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are in mobile layout. So we are going to add quick action bar. On left side you see mobile tools. So click on it and then you see quick action bar. Let visitor take action on your site fast. And then you see plus icon add to site, so click on it and then you see quick action bar edit. Now you see phone, email, Facebook and then you see setup. If you want you can remove, rename, so click on setup. So you can add phone number in this format. So we edit phone number and then click on done. So you can add information according to requirement. Now you see email, Facebook, so click on it and then click on setup. Now you see more action, so click on it. Now you see multiple action. So you can add according to requirement and then you see layout, setup, quick action. You see settings, so click on it. Now you see do you want to show label? No. Now you see format change. Yes. So it's up to you. And then you see design, so click on it. And then you see discover more action bar. So this is our layout. Now you see this is our also layout, different layout. If you want you can customize design, so click on it. Now you see black and white color scheme, grayscale, color, border, you see multiple action or option. Now close. So this is our layout. Now you see design, you see layout, setting and then you see customize design option. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to mobile layout in Wix, right click on it, activate mobile view on this page. So we are in mobile layout. Now you see 3 dot action bar, so click on it. Now you see phone, email, Facebook. So you can do setting according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.